Guys, Windows 11 installation problems can usually happen because of faulty drivers, but some issues occur because the PC does not meet the minimum hardware requirements. And all you know that these are the basic minimum hardware requirements to install the Windows 11 in your system, or these are system firmware UEFI secure boot capable and TPM trusted platform model TPM version 2.0 is the must to install Windows 11. But do you know you can install Windows 11, you can download Windows 11 without TPM or without secure boot? Today we will see in this video to how to bypass the TPM and secure boot to install Windows 11 in your existing system. Go to Windows search, type registry editor REGEDIT and open registry edited windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In registry editor windows, navigate the path. This path address is also available in my video's description. You can also search there. Click on local machine, system, and then setup. Right click on setup key from the left pane and rename this key as lab config. LABCONFIG. Rename it LABCONFIG, lab configuration. Select it and go to its correspondence right side and in the blank space right click on it, choose new, choose 32 dot value and rename this value as bypass TPM check. Again right click on blank space, same place, same location, and dot value 32 value and rename this value as bypass secure boot check. Now we will change the value one by one. Here you will see two values are created, bypass TPM check and bypass secure boot. Apply a double click on bypass TPM check and put the value as 1 and press OK. Same, double click on bypass secure boot check and change the value 1 and press OK. Restart your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system